Hi Crocs! We're gonna do some fun art today. And you know what we're gonna use? We're gonna use some different shapes of leaves, flowers, or anything that you can see outdoor or at your own backyard. Yes, at your own backyard, Crocs. And now, before we start this nature activity, let's go outdoor and let's see what we can get. Let's go, Crocs! So now, Crocs, I'm at my own backyard now. And now let's start picking some different shapes of leaves, dried or fresh. Watch me out. So let's start, Crocs. First, we need to cut an oval shape for the face. Glue it in and then stick it on the A4 paper. Then 3 leaves for the crown. Next is the hair. That is the hair. And then earrings. Yeah, we need to put 2 earrings, of course. And then we need to decorate the crown with some flowers. And now let's move to the face. Let's put the eyes. First 2 eyes and the nose. And then, of course, the mouth and the eyebrow. Then it's done. The face. It's face already. Okay, let's add some hair to look more beautiful. So, are you having fun, Crocs? Well, it's easy and fun, right? So yeah, and then let's move to the dress. And now I'm gonna add 2 more leaves for her dress. So I'm gonna put it on the right and the left side of her dress to make it more nicer. So Crocs, are you having fun? Well, it's easy and fun, right? So if you have time, you can take a walk around your neighborhood, or you can just explore your own backyard. Just take along a paper bag with you, and you can take, or you can collect bits of nature as you walk. Yeah, Crocs. And now, because she is a queen, so I'm gonna put her under the ark. So I'm gonna put 4 long leaves around her to be an arc. So now it's done. It's done already, our queen funny face. So I want to see your funny faces too.